The Lord is my shepherd. The Lord is my shepherd. Full of God, my name is Kimache Ilona. The person standing next to me is my lovely dad. I'm here to confirm a word of prophecy from the man of God, Apostle Massey Chetsim.
Peuple de Dieu, je m'appelle Kimati Ilona et la personne qui est près de moi, c'est mon papa et je suis ici pour confirmer la parole de prophétie de l'homme de Dieu, l'apôtre Massey Chetsim.
Actually, I wanted to register in a school, second year university, but when I reached there, they asked me for my certificate, my probatoire certificate. When I went back home, I searched it everywhere, I looked for it everywhere, I did not see it. I even said it's my mom, because I used to keep my documents to my mom. When I asked her, she said, we look for it everywhere, we didn't see it. And they asked me to go to Bamenda and look for the duplicate of the certificate. When I reached Bamenda, they just gave me my bordereau. When I came back, they asked me to go to Yaoundé, drop an application and wait for days. When I went to Yaoundé, I tried everything. I deposited the application, they didn't call me, I did everything. I went there, I even spent a lot of money. But when I came back here, my mom, Dad, and I went to see Papa. We explained the situation to him. Daddy said we should go back home, that we should go back home and search again, that we will find the certificate. When we went back home, that same day, the next
Peuple de Dieu, c'était une situation de documents. Je voulais m'inscrire à l'université, mais quand je suis arrivé, on m'a demandé mes dossiers et je ne pouvais pas en trouver. Je suis allé à Bamenda pour les chercher, arrivé là-bas, puisque je devais aller chercher les copies. Je n'ai pas trouvé, on m'a donné une liste, on m'a demandé d'aller à Yaoundé, déposer la demande. Je suis arrivé à Yaoundé, déposer la demande. Après quelques temps, on ne m'a pas appelé et surtout j'ai dépensé beaucoup d'argent. Et mon papa et moi, ma maman aussi, nous sommes allés voir l'homme de Dieu, lui expliquer la situation et il nous a dit, rentrez à la maison chercher, vous allez retrouver des documents.
People of God, when I was in Yaoundé, they asked me, they said if they don't come in, I have to write back the probatoire or wait for 4 years for the original to come out. And I was left only 2 days to go and register. They had to close it after 2 days. When I just came back, went and see Papa. Papa used the living water. He prayed for me. I knelt down. He prayed for me and he asked me to go back home and search it well again. Immediately when I got home, I wasn't here. The next day I traveled. They just called me and told me that I've seen the certificate I was looking for.
Quand moi et mes parents nous sommes allés voir l'homme de Dieu, il a prié pour moi avec cette eau vive, je me suis agenouillé, il a prié pour moi et le lendemain j'ai voyagé puisque 2 jours déjà on devait arrêter les inscriptions à l'université et j'avais besoin de ces dossiers. Mais quand j'ai voyagé pour Douala, la même soirée on m'a appelé, les documents ont été retrouvés.
Yes, people of God, I was very happy because if I didn't see the certificate, I would have to write back the probatoire or go back and repeat the first year. But God gave me the grace, I registered for the second year and I'm admitted now.
Oui, peuple de Dieu, la condition était que si je ne présentais pas les dossiers au délai précis, je devais reprendre cet examen ou attendre 4 ans pour avoir ces mêmes dossiers. Mais maintenant, puisque les dossiers ont été retrouvés, j'ai déjà été admis à l'université 2e année.
The Lord is my shepherd. The Lord is my shepherd. My name is Salut Pierre. The girl near me is my daughter. Actually, she was supposed to register since in September in the University of Douala. But we find the document, find it everywhere, and the document even caused confusion between me and my wife. All sides they will say, "Is you keep it?" The other one will say, "No, it's you." We look everywhere that we kept the documents, no way. After we find the mind of our spiritual father, who is Apostle Massey Chetsim, and we lay the problem to him, and only a word prayer. He pray, we all pray with the daughter and spring the living water and tell us to go and find the document. The next day she went to Yaoundé to the OBC office baccalaureate, where she can make the duplicate of the letter, but disappointment again. On her way coming back in the house in Yaoundé, where we do, because we were in Bamenda because of the crisis issue, we left there suddenly. But she kept her old books to her nephew, who is in Bamenda. So she find the document inside one of her books there, and call us in Mutenge that we have seen the note. That's why we just call her in Yaoundé that the document has been found. Just pay your transport and come back immediately to Douala.
Je m'appelle Salopierre et la jeune fille près de moi, c'est ma fille. Et ces problèmes de documents ont causé même la confusion entre ma femme et moi, puisque chacun disait c'est toi qui as gardé, c'est toi qui as gardé. Et aujourd'hui, par un seul mot de prière, par notre père spirituel, l'apôtre Master Chatim, le problème a été totalement résolu.
That's the testimony. It's done. It's done. Amen.
Yes, Papa, I just wanted to thank God because I was seeing because her 1 year school fees is 350,000. I was seeing it because it just remained 2 days. If she failed the 2 days, she will not get admitted. Maybe she will go back again to start from year 1, which is losses. So I just thank God for the grace on this house. There is higher grace in this house. Just a word, and the grace can work only with your faith. If you don't have the faith, if you don't believe what you are looking for, you will not end up see it. You will just say, we are coming here to play. It's not by play we are coming here under rain, under sun. Because we know that there is something genuine inside this house.
Thank you. Under rain, under sun. It is absolutely unnecessary for anyone to be here under rain, under sun, and still complain. If the miracle is not coming, don't give up. Tell your neighbor, if the miracle is not coming, don't give up.
Don't give up.
Keep pressing. Keep pressing. I cannot hear you say, press on.
Press on.
Press on.
Press on.
One day,
you
will touch the garment.
You will touch the garment.
It may be today. It may be today. Press on. Even people say, go, get behind. Don't you know? Keep pressing like blind Bartimaeus. Keep going. Keep going. Sometimes it may seem like you have come to the end of the road. Look at it again. You will see a small bridge linking you from where you are to where you're going. Climb on it and keep going. Somebody may receive today and your day may be tomorrow, and the sun today may discourage you from coming tomorrow. You will lose your own miracle. Keep pressing. So everything is fine, right?
Yes, sir.
You are happy now?
I'm happy.
That's the original document.
Yes, my uncle.
Thank you. Clap for Jesus.
People of God, I want to say that when Daddy gave me the prophecy to go back and search it again, I didn't have confidence because when I had really searched it everywhere, I scattered everything and searched it everywhere. So when they asked me to go back home and search it again, I was just saying it's just better for me to look for another solution because I didn't really trust, I didn't really have faith.
Believe in your pastor, you don't want to believe. Can you see what I said? Don't trust man. This man and the man of God is talking to you. You are still unable to. Don't trust man. And you give it a try. I will live to say only that which I shall live to see accomplished. If God said no, I will not say yes.
Oh yes.
No, thank you. Clap for Jesus. So let's get an advice from the sister.
My advice is that whatsoever you are going through, in any situation you are going through, don't just take things normal. Sometimes the devil uses these common things, normal things, to make you not to pray, to make you just take it as usual. Don't take anything usual. Anything that is not going well, you have to seek the face of God. You have to pray because the devil can use just little things to hinder you from progressing in life. So in every situation you find yourself, seek the face of God.